Hello everyone, this is Priyamada Azad from Divine Guidance, and today we have someone very beautiful with us. Your name?
Sadia Azad.
Okay, Sadia Azad. Why Sadia Azad is with me? I was guided to do this, July energy, mid of July energy reading, and I did the energy update. In between, I was kind of confused because I think I was missing some informations that I'm supposed to give, and then I had my cards with me and I shuffled and I got this one. Six of Action. By then she entered this room saying, I wanted to be with you, let's do something, let's play or something. Obviously we all are quarantined and we need to give time to each other, do something happening. These kids, still she's cooperating a lot. So after receiving the card, no, I realized this is what I'm supposed to do. That is a wonderful experience for you. It is about me. Your project is a total success, bringing awards, promotions and other recognitions for your efforts. Well done. If someone who can help you offer assistance, know that this person is heaven sent and say yes. And I said yes. Listen, why don't you shuffle cards for me? I asked her, and she actually has picked up two very important guidance for all of us, and I was like, oh my god, this is what I was waiting for. So first, let me, Sadia, go with this information that I have received. Okay, then you will share your guidance, right? Okay. So the first and very important thing that most of you and most of us are experiencing is the sleepless nights. Try not to question, try not to get too disturbed about this situation. This is something very natural happening with all of us. More and more pauses required. Do not question things, listen more. Okay, things are changing its pattern rapidly. Learn to give value to your new lessons. It's all about your growth moving ahead. More of spirituality, At times you will feel disconnected. Relax. Don't push yourself to get back fast. Surrender. Live in the moment and without questioning anything. Let it pass by itself. You will step into the next level if you just witness. Be aware of your synchronicities. Be aware of what you see, what you hear. It's not necessary, it's not at all important for us to discuss about what is not working out, also what is different happening. Just say it's okay, because this is natural. The transformation is natural. We were supposed to go through this. Do not pick up every little things you see or hear. I just mentioned this one. And it is time to cooperate and just be. Letting the best happen for the highest good of all involved. Right? So this is what I have written, what I have received, and let's go with the card which I have shuffled and I have received for all of you for this mid of July 2020. Choose freedom. Okay, sometimes you may feel as though your way is blocked, but often that's just an illusion. You could free yourself from the obstacles that you are so focused on by choosing a different path. Turn your thoughts away from negativity and instead envision endless possibilities you might act upon. See, I can relate with the reading that I have received with the auto writing and this card. Totally, you have been asked to surrender. What I understand by this, you have been asked to surrender. Okay, we'll go with Sadia now. Okay, before that, Sadia, please tell me do you regularly pick up cards?
Yeah,
Almost.
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 In the morning.
Okay, yes, and also the viewers obviously want to know do you regularly practice meditation or affirmations or chantings or something?
Yes,
Because you're about to read for everyone.
yes.
So you must be aligned, you must be grounded. So tell me, do you do any meditation?
Yes, I do Om Mani Padme Hum.
She does Om Mani Padme Hum. Can you
And-
show us how you do Om Mani Padme Hum? How you do?
Om Mani Padme Hum.
Okay.
Om Mani Padme Hum.
Beautiful.
Om Mani Padme Hum.
Yes, lovely.
I do it 21 times.
Yes, she does it 21 times, and she also reads this archangel books, because I think it's high time to educate the children about angels, archangels, and I don't believe in regularly watching cartoons, regularly playing in whatever the technological things you have handy. So anyway, so let's go with the guidance that she has received. Okay.
I had shuffled the card. I had asked my mother that can I shuffle the card, and then she said yes, and I got this card, the spiritual teacher.
Okay.
There are great rewards in spending time alone.
Right.
Use those moments of solitude,
That
to
space, that alone time, that beautiful time. Yes.
to focus on love and ways in which you might give to those around you.
Correct.
Shine your light as an example for others to follow. Seek out a spiritual mentor of your own if your life feels unfulfilled right now.
So what do you understand by this card?
I understand from this card that be happy.
Be happy.
Yeah.
Yes, of course, be happy. Also here seek out a spiritual mentor of your own if your life feels unfulfilled right now. You must listen to your guru if you have, or start listening to more inspirational audios. Educate yourself. It's time to gain more knowledge, wisdom, right? And then the other card says,
And this popped out,
yes,
a new beginning. You're at the beginning of a wonderful journey. There's no need to have any fear, as guardian angels walk beside you every step of the way. You have unique gifts to offer the world. If you will just free yourself
correct.
from that which holds you back, new opportunities will present themselves if you truly believe.
Do you believe in angels?
Yes.
Of course, we do believe in angels. We pray for ourselves, we pray for others, and this is what together we must do. We are in the fourth density, we are in the fourth dimension, if you say in that way. So this time is all about the angel number 9, which says humanity, kindness, more compassion, love, sharing. This time is more of taking stand for each other, more love. So to expand more love, to stay connected with your inner God, you must disconnect yourself, which is actually happening. You want to say something? Say.
And help Mother Earth.
And help Mother Earth. How that can be possible? By not
Preparing yourself.
Of course. Okay, yes, your own transformation going to help Mother Earth. You will learn a lot of things, and you will not make this earth a garbage, a big dustbin. Of course, not only that, also grounding is very important. Stay connected with our base. It is so much important. So guys, please take care, spend some time alone, please meditate, listen to speakers, read more books, educate yourself and help yourself and the Mother Earth to shift towards the new earth. Okay, so lots of divine love
and blessings.
Please,
Please
take care.
Bye.